For my sister's birthday, she decided to have an adult themed field day. And so, me being the event planner and decorator connoisseur that I am, I created the balloon display arch for all of the teams to come in and see as they got ready to participate in the different games that we had. So, the colors that I chose for this specific balloon arch are green, yellow, and orange, and it ended up matching the theme of the facility that we rented out for the day. So it was perfect. And then I ordered some balloon foils off of Amazon, which you guys will see me attaching to the garland later on in this video, just to add that sports feel to the whole setup. And so one of my friends, who was also a participant for the field day, she graciously recorded me. And so you'll see me laughing because she was just cracking jokes. But this setup actually took me only 25 minutes to do. I did not do a full look for this. That's my sister and her husband walking in. I didn't do a full look for this setup because I was short on time. So that's why you'll only see single clusters arranged. Normally I do like to have double clusters just to make the balloon arches more full. And I'm getting to the last parts of adding everything together. And the turnout was super, super cute. So this is how it ended up looking once I added the balloon foils and the balloon spikes. And it was such a great time, y'all. Like, I highly recommend Adult Field Day, getting your friends together to just have a great time. And here is a clip of how Field Day actually turned out. Enjoy.
Propose something. Okay. All right, waiting. Okay. And pose. Pose. Okay. Okay. Ready? Okay. All right, that one. Okay, just right. Oh, she didn't see. Oh, no, you haven't. You do. Okay. That was crazy. That's right.